Hi, I'm Dr. Jacqueline French. I'm Chief Medical and Innovation Officer at the Epilepsy Foundation, and I am happy to share some news with you about a new medication that's available that has been approved by the FDA called Fintepla. This medication was approved for people who have Dravet syndrome, and it is now available by prescription. The medication has been proven in clinical trials to improve seizure control in people with Dravet syndrome between 2 and 18 years old when it's taken in addition to their usual medication regimen. And studies with Fintepla indicated that it did substantially reduce the type of seizure we call convulsive seizure, which is a seizure with a lot of motor activity, and provided longer periods of seizure freedom of those types of seizures. And in fact, in the clinical trials, looking at that type of seizure, fully one third to one half of the children who were taking Fintepla had their seizures reduced by 75% or more. That's three quarters or more. The studies also found that Fintepla was well tolerated and did not produce any heart or breathing side effects over the course of all of the clinical trials. In addition, the providers of those children were asked to rate how they were doing, and many found that the children were much improved or very much improved after starting Fintepla compared to before they started it. If your loved one is affected by Dravet syndrome and still has seizures despite treatment with anti-seizure medicines, Fintepla may be an option for you. You should read more about this medication on epilepsy.com at epilepsy.com/FAIRE, all capital letters. And I also want to remind you that no medication can come to the market and treat people with epilepsy without clinical trials and clinical research. Please go to epilepsy.com and read more about clinical trials and clinical research at epilepsy.com/research.